Hi everyone, very welcome back to the another session of Julia. So in this week, actually, we will talk about the input and output in Julia, and in fact, the material of this week will be a little bit easier. So, so here I'm starting to write the data of the today, as usual. Okay, then I'll start to write a very simple code to get my first output. Okay, so I'm running this shift enter and I get this simple output. Let's try another code here. Okay, so I'm writing this the simple code print. Okay, so you see that I get the output. So what about the string? So let's write a string here, and okay, so if I write that and compile it, I will get error. So this means that undefined variable. So actually I should have written that inside of the quotation. Without quotation, it means it should be a variable. Since we didn't define it, so it will bring us an error. Let's write now this one. So I'm gonna write this one, but I'll this time pressing enter. So if I compile this one, okay, very good. This means that Julia understands the meaning of the pressing enter, so it works, so it's good. So let's clean here. Okay, let's compile this one again. Okay, just in this line, command enter. Okay, now let's try in another way. So usually we write in this way, /n. So the Julia will understand that it should be in how are you today should be in the next line. Now let's define some variable. So I write I value x equal to 162. Then I want to mix it with an integer. So I'm writing this one here, and I'll put x here, but I wanna have the value of the x. How to do that? Let's try it first in this way. So you will see that it won't work. Okay, as you see that. Okay, this is the value of the x. So you see that the value of x is not working. So we need to do something else. So for that, I can adjust in this way. So I remove this one, also the question mark, comma, and x, and comma again, and another quotation for question mark. So this time it will work. Okay, you see that. Another way to do this is in this way. So maybe we can do just inside of one quotation. So, but instead of writing just x, we need to get help from writing $sign. Okay, so this will work as well. Okay, as you see here. Okay, in this way, yeah. Now we want to print something else. So I would like to use for all mathematics symbol. So for writing that, we are getting help from this website here. So for writing for all, okay, I'm searching this for all here, the character and the code, the Unicode is here. Instead of capitalized U, we need to use little u. Okay, and for writing epsilon, I know the code, I don't want to take your time with that, and I'm writing delta and these things. So I'll run this, I'll compile this one again. Let's wait for the result. Okay, this is the desired result, but that's an example, and we are able to see everything, every sign from every language if it has a Unicode. Now how about to taking input from the user, as we had just outputs, and now this time we want to get input. So firstly I removed by command J and command C, and I want to ask the name of the user. So I'm writing what's your name, then I'll ask the command going to the next line. In the next line the user will write his name. Okay, then after getting the value of the name, which is n, I'll again get the n as output. Okay, now compiling what's your name here, yeah, for example Ali. Okay, so I get the same input as in my output again. And here just be careful about using exclamation mark here, because it should have a distance. Okay, now let's try one extra remark here. Let's get rid of a /n here, so let's see what happens. So after let's try one time. What's your name? I'm writing this one and it's working. But what if I get rid of this? Okay, after compiling, it's and that's asking my name. I'm answering here, but I don't see any question, something like what's your name. Okay, so the problem, it seems that after removing /n here, it's not showing the output, the first string output for me. So as you see here, because we don't have /n, so readline and print are in the same line. So when we don't have it, the readline, after printing what's your name, it will remove it. Then it will compile the rest of the codes. So as you see, the example now works. Now let's try slightly different. So I would like to remove that one. Instead I have to do enter here, so the Julia will understand what that means. I'm compiling that one. So as you see that what's your name is here. This time I'm writing my own name, of course, so it's working. So this was the end of the this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe us, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.